Hello everyone. Today I am telling you how to grow plant. Plant grow through the process called photosynthesis. Plant's life cycle. The plant life cycle begins with the seed and the once plant in a soil. The plant seed receive water. Carbon dioxide is also absorbed by the plant from the air and the sugar are made. This sugar is used as a food along with the nutrient from the soil. What are the requirements to grow plant? The right temperature, light, water, nutrient, and the time. Plants provide oxygen for us and all the other animals. Through photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which give us the air that allow all animals on the planet to breathe. What are the uses of plants? Plants provide us food like fruit, vegetable, etc. Plants provide us medicine. Plants provide us shade during hot, sunny days. Plants help reduce soil erosion.